Guys, good morning. Welcome back to Green Tea Garden. Starting tomorrow is going to be the 1st of August, and it's coming down. Soon it's going to be coming down to the fall in New York. The weather this morning already is getting chilly, but it's beautiful. It's beautiful weather. But you guys, if we have all the summer plants, most of the plants, it's going to come down to the short time. It's going to come down to fall, so we're going to lose all our summer plants. But it's not over yet, guys. If you miss your summer plant in the garden, it's not over yet. I do have a bunch of seed right now, so there's a couple plants I'm gonna plant in my garden outdoor for the fall. It's gonna be fall harvest. So mostly stuff, guys, that I'm gonna be planting, which I didn't get to plant anyway. I do have some cauliflower seed here. I'm gonna be planting that. I do have some kale, and the reason why I plant kale, guys, it's really healthy. The leaf, you can make smoothie, and you can do a lot of stuff with kale. Planted more spinach, so these are my spinach seed. So I love spinach. I'm a big fan of spinach, and I eat them raw all the time. And my favorite, lettuce. So I'm gonna be doing all greens, guys. Also, another thing I'm gonna do, because I have the greenhouse and I might have this running on top, winter squash. You could also plant this outside due to the cold weather. If you start right now in the 1st of August, you'll definitely get a harvest. I know when you plant carrots now, guys, in the fall time, you're gonna get a nice harvest. And a quick tip when you plant in carrots, guys, make sure your soil is soft. Loosen up your soil, and because these things, they don't grow upward. Carrots actually shoot downward, so make sure you don't have any rocks or hard soil, because they'll just grow right down and they'll grow really nice and big. So, and there was another one, I'm pretty sure I have it somewhere. It was beets. So I like to plant a lot of beetroots. Beets, they're good because the leaves are really healthy, and my pet pig, he loves the leaves. For some reason, he just loves to go and eat the leaves. So he'll eat out all my beetroot leaves. And I normally, with the beetroot, I normally boil them, guys. You boil them. What I will do, I will just wash them out a little bit, boil it with the whole skin and everything. The skin will fall right off. I'll just toss the skin away, and now you could eat that beets. You could eat it just like that. You could eat it in a salad, and then the water, you don't throw away the water, guys. The water is like super healthy. All the nutrition is inside, and it has a lot of L-arginine, nitric oxide, which will give you a blast of energy, blood flow. It's a powerhouse, guys. So do not mess around with beets, guys. So a couple plants though you guys could plant starting from August. I'll just give you a recap right now, and I'm gonna plant these guys. So definitely you could plant lettuce. You could plant spinach, broccoli, cauliflower, beets, carrots, and a bunch of stuff that you could plant still. And it's still, you're still gonna have enough time for harvest. So it's not the end of the garden season, guys. Don't be stressed out. Don't get frustrated. You didn't miss anything out, or your garden is not coming to an end. It's amazing to see your plant from seed grow up, and now they have to go away. It gets to that moment. It gets to that moment when you realize, it's coming out to fall. I mean, I'm a big fan of fall. Don't get me wrong. I love fall time, but I do love my plants. So another thing I'm gonna do too, guys, since the weather's gonna be changing, I'm gonna start pruning a lot of my tomatoes, pruning a lot of my plants, forcing them to get ripe and everything. So before the frost come down, I'm gonna have everything, I'm gonna have the benefit of everything. Alright, guys, so thank you guys for watching. Hopefully this video was helpful, and you guys could go ahead and plant some of your green stuff. I'm gonna leave a list of plants you could plant in August in the description box below, and you definitely could harvest for the fall. So guys, go ahead and check out that, and don't forget, guys, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. It's 100% free. And even though the summertime is gonna come down, and when the summer's done, the fall is done, I'm gonna still be working in my greenhouse, and I'm gonna try to get that going, see if we could survive the winter. So I'm gonna try to keep you guys entertained by watching me in my greenhouse. Alright, guys, so see you next time on Green Tea Garden.